28th Street for 1.5 miles.
I'm far away now from where I work.
Exchange Avenue. In 1,000 feet, you will arrive at your destination. You have arrived.
To get out from that place of Stockyard is a challenge. River Ranch Stockyard. Look at that. River Ranch Stockyard. I wonder what is this. Haven't been there. Okay.
Samuels Avenue for 1.5 miles.
Downtown View, Fort Worth. Umikot lang pala ako. I just turned around. I made a circle.
Use the right lane to take the I-35W South ramp, then merge onto I-35W South.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Andito kami sa downtown Fort Worth. Mamasyal lang. Up. Tingin-tingin lang. Kasi may mga, matagal lang ako sa Texas. Pero maraming places pa dito na hindi pa namin alam. Hindi ko alam. Asawa ko, alam na niya. Texan yan eh. Ay, ang ganda naman ito. Ayan, no? Old style building. Ewan ko kung anong year yan. Same thing, that style. Ano yan? Firestone.
That used to be the old Firestone.
Oh, that's an apartment?
I don't know what it used to. Yeah.
That's an office, Daddy.
No, it says apartment homes.
Homes. Oh.
It used to be a tire store.
Oh, that's why it's Firestone. Okay. So, andito tayo sa downtown, which is 5th Street ng Fort Worth. Parang church yata ito. Yan, church. Church siya, hindi siya building, kundi church. I think I've been there. Yes, Daddy, that's the church that we went to? No, this is a different one.
That's a different one.
Yeah, it's a different one. So, we're going to go feed the duck. Pakita ko lang sa inyo ang mga lugar na dinadaanan namin. School, right? Parang tahimik, hindi siya masyadong crowded, hindi maingay. Galing na kasi ako sa lugar na maingay. New York City for 25 years. I lived there for 25 years. 10 years in California, San Diego. Tapos Texas. Dito ako nagtagal at nagkaroon ng property. Kaya dito kami halos. Now then again, mga anak ko malalaki na, so probably I'll be changing residency, which is Philippines. Mag-ano na kami, mag-retire na kami, malapit na. Meron na lang kaming pinag-iipunan para pagdating doon sa Pilipinas, hindi maranasan ng paghihirap. Galing na tayo sa paghihirap. Huwag na tayong bumalik dyan kung kailan tayo matanda. Papunta kami sa Trinity Lake. Ganda naman, oh. Ganda ang mga view dito. Simple lang siya. Oh, yan, lake nga siya. Yan yata yung dugtong pupuntahan namin. A Mexican Inn Cafe. Punta na kami ngayon ng tawag dito. Oh, mayroon. Oh, this is new. I haven't been in this intersection, Daddy. Rotonda. Asan yung Rotonda? Did you ever been here? Oh, White Settlement that way?
Huh?
White Settlement. That's where I used to work. In the first year that I come in. Nice bridge. Look at that. Hindi ko pa ito napuntahan. Binira lang kasi akong gumala. Mag-isa. Pag gumala man ako mag-isa, ay alam nyo na ang pupuntahan ko, kling-klingan. Doon ako nag-i-enjoy. Maraming sasakyan. Ano to? Golden what? What is that, Daddy?
That's where we're going.
Oh. Okay. That's where we're going. What's in there?
It's a flea market.
Oh, we're going to a flea market, huh? Oh, I should have been live. Magpi-flea market tayo. Wala nang edit-edit, diretsuhan na ito. No, straight.
Let's go this way.
Magpi-flea market daw kami. Walang parkingan. I don't think we'll be lucky to get a parking. Buti madala akong cash. Kasi walang card sa flea market. Bazaar ang tawag. Where are we gonna park? Oh, no parking. It's full. Disabled. Tapos sabayan mo pa ng fashion na sunglasses. Huh? Perfect. Simple, pero elegante. Elegant. Simple but elegant. Nagkalat na ako dito. Yan ang maganda sa taas. Ganitong sandals. No? Dress na may sandals na ganito. Swak na swak talaga ang looks. Tapos sabayan natin ng mga ganitong simpleng casual. Dress, hat, shade. Perfect na sa summer. Ang ganda nito, oh. Talagang summer na ang mga decoration dito sa store. Ganda, ano? Well, mas maganda ang gawa ng Pilipinas. Yan, kuha natin doon sa front yard ko. Dagdag kulay. Dagdag kulay sa aking front yard. Mura lang naman, oh. Diba? Kuha tayo ng 3. Kuha lang ako ng kulay doon sa harapan ng bahay ko para magkaroon naman ng kulay. Ay, ayoko yan. Ano kaya ito kung maganda to doon sa entrance ng aking bahay? Bakit hindi, diba? Kuha tayo ng isa.